Piano lessons for beginners should always include a lot of rote music. Wait, what's rote music? Learning by rote means that you learn by imitation. When students can learn by rote, that means they learn by imitating others. So they watch them play a song and play it themselves. This helps young students develop their ear, their finger technique, and their memory without the hindrance of learning to read notes first. What will this look like in real life? A student watches as someone else plays a song. They learn by watching what it looks like on the piano. And they're also learning by hearing the song, both how the melody and/or the harmony is moving up and down and how it sounds rhythmically. Learning to play a song by rote is usually an instant success because if a student can copy a few notes at a time demonstrated by someone else, they can generally learn the whole song at one time. They'll leave the lesson excited to share their new song with others. You see, a student can simply sit down and copy what they see and hear. Simple songs like Hot Cross Buns, Old MacDonald Had a Farm, Jingle Bells, and more are fun for kids to learn because they love to play songs they know. But songs learned by rote can be more complicated and impressive sounding right away because they're playing songs well above their reading ability. There are other ways that young beginners can learn to play songs without learning to read notes. There are pre-reading music books and song sheets that focus on alphabet letters, colors, and finger numbers. But still, these all require some kind of reading component. If you're interested in teaching a child to play some songs without reading any notes at all, then subscribe to my channel. I'm creating a new video series that will help you, even if you've never learned the piano yourself, learn some rote songs, and you'll be able to teach some fun songs to a beginning piano student, because first I will teach you how to play a song, and then you'll be able to teach it to someone else.